Step out. Oh, my goodness. Step out, ma'am.
Is this Black Hawk Down? Like, who are these people?
The police department.
You got somebody on the floor, bro. She looks sickle seven, bro.
It's 6 a.m. in Tampa, Florida, when police receive a disturbing 911 call.
Tampa Police 911. What is the address of the emergency?
I was just trying to get strangled.
Okay, do you have a unit letter or number?
Unit.
Okay, and what's going on?
I was just trying to get strangled. But I just woke up from passing out.
Okay, I'm sorry, what happened?
I was strangled.
Okay, by who?
My mom.
I'm sorry, by who?
My mom.
Is she still there?
Yes.
How long ago did this happen?
This happened like 34 minutes ago. I just woke up.
Okay. Where is your mother now?
She's outside my room.
The call cuts out, and dispatchers try to reconnect with the caller, later identified as 18-year-old Natavia Sanders, who told police her mother just strangled her to the point of passing out. Officers waste no time racing to the scene.
I know you're in the home. Just come to the door. Three puffle. Did you guys attempt to call back? Because now the lights are out. I think I hear him screaming upstairs, but I can't tell.
One officer thinks he hears screaming coming from inside the home, when seconds later, backup arrives.
What's up, brother? Was it?
Turned it out, and then I couldn't tell if it was screaming upstairs or where it was.
Look, the couches are up on the wall. You see this? Like up here? See this?
Yeah.
Almost like, not barricaded, but you heard screaming?
Yeah,
Did you hear a scream for help or something?
I couldn't tell.
Police department!
I couldn't tell if it was arguing.
Tampa police! Come downstairs! Tampa Police Department. Good morning.
He's all in the home.
Everybody?
Okay. Can you come outside for me real quick, please?
For what?
Police identify the woman seen here as 38-year-old Rotesha Silveus, who's about to get a serious wake-up call.
Because we got a call for service here.
Not here.
Lady, don't play the game. You ain't gonna do this. Don't do this.
Grab her.
Ma'am, stop. Stop it. You're not gonna stop us from entering the house.
I didn't do that.
Lady, ma'am. Ma'am, open the door.
Stop.
3-1, come to the front. Ma'am, stop resisting us. Stop resisting us. We're here for a lawful reason, okay?
Here, got that.
Sit down.
Look on my Facebook.
Sit down here. Oh, here, you know what? Come up. Stand up.
You don't have to be aggressive.
No, do me a favor. Hey, stop. Hey, do me a favor. Just hang out with her. Or my car. I gotta go upstairs, man. In the car, please. Figured out. Just keep an eye on this.
Rotesha is secured in a patrol car when officers head inside and find Natavia, who called 911 just over 20 minutes earlier, unconscious on the floor.
Man, we got somebody on the floor, bro. She looks 6'7", bro.
First responders perform life-saving efforts while waiting for medics to arrive.
How old is the oldest?
Upstairs.
What? No, she's in the kitchen. Kitchen.
Oh, right here, man. Okay.
Kitchen.
Yeah.
Not responsive at all. Found her here, possibly choked out. Maybe a very faint pain.
All right, let them do their job.
Yeah, I'm gonna let them take over here.
Yeah.
Try to keep as many people out as we can, let fire do what they gotta do, and then we're gonna rope this out.
EMTs rushed the 18-year-old to a hospital where she would survive for 2 days before passing away. A medical examiner determined Natavia's injuries were consistent with strangulation. Meanwhile, Rotesha waits in the patrol car where things take an unusual turn.
Step out. Oh, my goodness. Step out, ma'am.
Loretta.
Come on. Come on.
She combative?
No.
Huh?
No.
Oh, what's wrong? What's wrong with you? Alright. Can we stop? Can we stop acting like this, please? So I can do your search? Brandon, I need you to, like, help me out now.
Get one of them to come over here and say so as well.
Did she act like that while you were...
No, she was talking to us. We had a rapport, and she started making something about being single for you, taking something. I forget exactly what she said. Something about
We'll just have fire.
Yeah.
So check her. Don't let her fall.
Put it back in.
Can't poison me.
Come on.
Not yet. We're just coming to.
Young lady, what's your name?
Rotesha Silveus.
And you live here?
Yes.
How long have you lived here?
A few months.
A few months? Okay, who do you live here with?
Me and my children.
Your children? The small children? Like the babies?
Mm-hmm.
I seen 1 or 2 little babies. What about the other person there?
No, I have 3 kids.
You have 3 kids? How old are your kids? How old are they?
9, 3, and 4.
4? Okay.
Rotesha tells the officer she has 3 kids under the age of 10, but fails to mention her 18-year-old daughter, who was found on the kitchen floor. Keep this in mind for later.
Hey, by the way, what do the body cams that we cover prove? Maybe that the world is
Unpredictable, and I'll tell you what, with that in mind, having a great lawyer matters, and that is where our great partner and sponsor Morgan & Morgan comes in. This is a firm with over 1,000 attorneys. You know why they have so many? Because they win a lot. In the past few months, Morgan & Morgan secured a $9.3 million verdict for a car crash victim in Florida, a $5.6 million verdict for another car accident victim in Atlanta, and not to mention $1.8 million in Kentucky after insurance offered them a mere $5,000 in that case. And even if you think your case isn't worth millions of dollars, why not start a claim and fight for what you deserve? Morgan & Morgan makes it so simple. You can start a claim from your phone in just 8 clicks. So if you're injured, you can easily start a claim at forthepeople.com/LC BodyCam channel, or click the link in the description and pinned in the comments.
So who's here today with you?
Me and my 3 kids.
You and your 3 kids? Okay. The 3 and 4-year-old, were they upstairs? Okay. And then where's your 9-year-old?
They're all upstairs.
They're all upstairs?
We were all up there.
Okay.
We just got up and I was going to give them a bath.
Who's in the kitchen? Somebody's in the kitchen, a little bit older than 9, though. They're not 9 years old.
I couldn't even tell you.
You couldn't even tell you?
I only have 3 kids.
Okay. Okay. All right, hang tight. Hang tight. Hang tight.
Do you want to see the fire department? Do you want them to check you out?
I'm fine. I just want my kids.
She's fine.
I don't know what happened. Like,
You want me just to take vitals of her or something?
If you're talking to me, I didn't hear you.
Since fire's here, you have to just set eyes on her?
They can.
I mean, just check the box?
Yeah.
I'm just, whatever. Okay, never mind. Thank you.
And you feel like alright? We're just gonna have fire just look at you, make sure everything's good.
I said I got another one.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
is this Black Hawk down? Like, who are these people?
The police department, police and fire. Are you able to sit back? Look at you.
Another officer questions Rotesha from the driver's seat of the patrol car, when her story quickly changes.
Who went to the hospital just now, do you know? Who is that? Oh, you have 4 kids? Okay, what was that daughter's name?
Natavia Sanders.
Now, Rotesha tells the officer she has 4 kids and identifies Natavia as her eldest daughter, when she previously claimed to have, quote, no idea who was in her kitchen.
If she doesn't want it, she won't. We're good.
I'm fine. Are y'all okay? Why are y'all here?
If you could just look at her and make sure she's...
You don't want us to check you out?
No, I'm fine.
I got the influence or anything.
Everything's fine. Thank you. I appreciate it.
Somebody else come here. Alright, we're going to walk over to the other car, okay? You able to walk?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Rotesha refuses medical help and is shortly taken to another patrol car while officers prepare to take her to jail.
We're going to go to this
We're gonna go to this car over here. You're refusing to be seen? Okay.
Yeah, they can keep one.
the car.
This one?
Yep.
You're good. Lift your hands up just a little bit. Turn to the back corner. Sorry. Huh? Squeeze a little bit stronger. Not yet. They're, I think so. Are you good?
But it's not long until she pulls another 180 and decides she does want to be seen by medics.
You just told him you didn't want to see him. Hey. Now she wants to see you guys.
My foot.
Okay.
I have a couple of things on it.
Okay. They could treat it when you get there. There's a doctor there that can treat you. Well, we can't treat it.
Okay, can you look at it?
I know, man, but I see the scrape and stuff like that. That's what I'm saying. They're gonna take an X-ray. They can do all that stuff there.
I don't need an x-ray. I just need this looked at on my tooth.
I mean, what do you want me to? The only thing I can give you is a Band-Aid for that, man. I'm not at a hospital. I'm just in a team.
Thank you.
What she said?
She just wants us to look at it.
Okay, they looked at it.
She looked at it.
Right. What do you want them to do?
He just said that I could go to the ER and they'll give me an
No,
x-ray.
you will do that at the jail.
They have, the Orient Jail has a whole medical
Right.
staff there that.
Why?
We're not going to the hospital.
Especially for that.
Yeah. So is there anything else you need them for, ma'am? Okay. Thanks, guys. Sorry.
No, don't worry about it. I told her I'll give you a Band-Aid.
Yeah.
Rotesha was taken to jail and booked for resisting an officer with violence and aggravated battery with great bodily harm. 2 days later, when her 18-year-old daughter died, the medical examiner's office ruled her death a homicide, and Rotesha's charge was upgraded to first-degree murder. Court records show Rotesha was originally found incompetent to stand trial, but at last check, she was, quote, returned to competency and is expected back in court this spring.
All right, ma'am, step out. I'm going to go right in to that door over there. Right here.